This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brady Den Blaker. Single level 55 plus condo with wide open floor plan. The spacious living room is light and bright and features a cozy gas fireplace. The kitchen is open with lots of cabinets and a built-in eating bar. The dining area is expansive and leads to your own fenced private patio. There are 2 large bedrooms and 1.75 bathrooms. The master bedroom is oversized with an ensuite and ample closet space. The second bedroom is also sizable and has double closets. The utility room is very functional with lots of cabinets and counter space. A large 2 separate doors, 2-car garage is attached. This welcoming home is nicely situated near the clubhouse and the mailboxes. A very quiet and peaceful community. Brand new carpets. For more information, review the details below.